Hi, and thanks for tuning in to this demonstration video of TerraGo Cloud Drive. In this demo video, we will be showing you how to use some of the fundamental file backup functionalities of Cloud Drive. There will be two cases that we will be walking you through. The first one will be how to go about restoring a previous version of the file that you saved on the Cloud Drive, and the second one on how to go and restore content that has been deleted from your Cloud Drive. So in the first case, I'm going to go here and navigate into this internal collaboration folder that I've done. We set this up in previous videos where myself as a user, I've uploaded some initial content, and I'm collaborating with Bob, and he's inputting some of his updates to the content as well. So you'll see here in the content folder, this file, presentation draft version 3, was last updated by Bob about 7 minutes ago. So let's say I click into the content, but I noticed that there are some critical stuff that has been deleted that is no longer available and want to actually go and restore back to a previous version. So what I could do is in the option menu here for this specific file, I can click on the version history link. And here I'll actually show all of the previous version that's been uploaded. So you see that the current one, the latest one that's shown is the one that's uploaded by Bob, but it also keeps track of two earlier versions that I uploaded on the Cloud Drive that was provided by myself. So let's say in this case I want to go back to the version that I had uploaded previous to Bob's changes. I will go ahead and click on the link. There are a few options here, so I can either do a preview, just see if this is the exact version that I need. I can go and download the file, or I can actually restore the file in this folder or copy it to another folder. So let's say I want to go ahead and restore this file. So in this case, I'll ask you for a couple of options. So A, you can either replace this as the latest and greatest version. In this case, I want to make sure that I can look at the delta between the two files, so I may not want to do that. You can do an option to keep both, where this earlier version will actually be saved under the timestamp, so it's clear in terms of which version was created when. So in this case, I'm going to select the second option. And now the earlier version that you looked at has been restored, and it has also been timestamped so that you can differentiate between the two. Now, going into the second part of the file backup functionality, which is going about restoring deleted content. In the last demo video, you noticed that there were some other contents that was included in this file. I know that there was an Excel file that was kept in this folder. Also, there was another folder of content which no longer seems to be here now that I've logged in. So if you want to go ahead and look into restoring files that have been deleted, what you can do is quickly go to the icon up above here with the trash can with the little eye in front of it, which is the show deleted items function. If you click on it, right away you'll see that content that has been deleted is shown in gray and strike through. So as I recall, here was the Excel folder and also the folder of files that was deleted a little bit earlier. So if I want to go ahead and restore this file, all I'll need to do is click on this undelete button. And right away, you'll see that the file has been undeleted. And to confirm that, you'll see that the icon actually is back in color and the strike through is no longer there. If I were to click on it just to do a quick preview, you'll see that the content has now been restored. Similarly, if you want to restore the content of an entire folder, instead of having to click on these one by one, all you have to do is in the root folder, just press the undelete. And right away, all of the content has been restored. So if I go ahead and click inside, you'll see that all of the content inside that folder has been restored as well. And I can quickly check that by just doing a preview of the file. And right away, you'll see that the file has been restored. So that essentially wraps up the two cases in which you can leverage TerraGo Cloud Drive to go ahead and serve as a file backup to retrieve content that may have been accidentally deleted or maybe accidentally overwritten in a new version in which it was unintended.